I'm going to show you how to take this and turn it into something super shiny and nice. I'm going to use it on the other build. This is fairly new. Oh, that is vinegar and Dawn dish soap. And I'm going to scrub it all down and clean it really good before the next step. You really want to take a brush, grab your chain and scrub it all over. So that's what I'm doing to get all the dirt off of it right now. And after you're done cleaning it with the vinegar and soap, you dump this wherever. Don't dump it on the grass or it will kill all plants. Just FYI. It's not like toxic or anything, but vinegar and Dawn dish soap will kill grass and stuff. Crazy easy. Okay, we're going to take that and wire brush it next, and then we'll get to the plating stage. Alright guys, I forgot to put it in there, but the chain I had a positive lead on this big battery, negative lead on a steel bar and a thing, and ran it for a couple minutes to get all the crap off the chain. Now I'm going to take that small battery, it's 3 volts, I'm going to put it on the negative and the positive on there. We're going to run this for about an hour. I take that little stick, stir it around, make sure air bubbles don't form on it, and we're going to nickel plate it with some nickel acetate. You can either buy that or you can make it. A lot of how-to videos on YouTube, and we'll run this for, I'm probably going to do it about a half hour, and we'll see what comes out. I've been doing this a little over an hour now. It was a little longer than I expected. I have to clean up some. I do have some oxidation. Switch it a couple times and stuff, but all in all, we're not doing too shabby. So let me get this cleaned up and I'll give you guys a look. So I got it just out. I'm gonna go wipe this all down and then gonna hit it with some mother's polish and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm out here. I'm polishing it with a drill thing. As you can see, came out really bling. So now I'm gonna do a pedal chain. I'm going to put some oil on this and stick it in a bag for now. I'm going to clean it all up really good. I might hit it one more time in a loop with this just to get it really shiny. But this came out pretty decent. So one down, one to go. It took me an hour to plate it, 20 minutes to clean it with a brush and a wire brush. So about an hour, 20 minutes. So you can take your regular motorized bicycle chain and turn it into this. Alright, peace.